In today's episode, I'm going to be decorating my entryway or my entryway tables for fall. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm going to do, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now in today's episode, we're going to be hitting those entryway tables. I have two, they're identical, so you're going to see me decorate one, and then the insert where the pearl pot is, I'm going to decorate that as well. So then I will share with you the whole process. So let's jump into it. I'm going to give you an overall look of the table and the entryway. Here is this table. I wanted it simple, but I did want it to represent fall. Now that pearl vase, that was my mom's, and I thought it would be a perfect fit right there. And then we have the other table. Everything's the same on this table as the other one. The difference is the pot on the second shelf is a water can for plants. I'm gonna let you see that. It was also thrifted. So this is my fall entryway. I hope you enjoy watching me put this together. I hope you enjoyed watching me put this together. I had a great time coming up with the idea and the theme that I was going to use. Mind you, I changed that table about 4 times before I came up with what I wanted to do with the top layer. So let me know what you think down below of my entryway table for this year, for fall. You know I love reading your comments, and I will see you in the next episode.